and welcome to Baking to Building. Today I have a natural recipe for you. So if you're tired of using mouthwash with ingredients that you can't even pronounce, then I have a healthy recipe for you. So we're going to be adding whole cloves, which help to freshen your breath, and they have antibacterial properties to help reduce the risk of bleeding and swollen gums. And I'm also going to use some cinnamon sticks that help to reduce the bacteria in your mouth and freshen your breath. So all we're going to do is put the 3 cinnamon sticks in your bowl jar. Now I happen to use the 24 ounce, so you can use whatever jar you have. Also, as far as the recipe, you might want to adjust it with less cinnamon, maybe less cloves. It really depends on how it feels in your mouth and what you're comfortable with. So I put in my 3 cinnamon sticks, and I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of whole cloves. I am then going to pour the very hot water. It's almost boiling, but not quite boiling, right there to the top. And I'm going to put the top on and let it sit. Now, if you make this in the morning, you can let it sit all day, or you can make it at night and let it sit all overnight and wait till it gets cool. Okay, so one of my jars is nice and cool, and I'm going to strain it to get out all the small cloves and the cinnamon. There we go. Pour it in my jar. And there you have it, a healthy mouthwash that you can use every day. I use it twice a day, even gargle with it. I like the taste, and I hope you do too. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye.